You are going to love the 2021 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.